In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the status of an issue in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Jira can sometimes be a little overwhelming, especially if you're new to project management. But changing the status of an issue is a fundamental skill that you absolutely need to master. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your Jira account. Simply open your web browser, head to the Jira login page, and enter your credentials. If you're not sure where to look, just type Jira in the search bar, and it will usually pop up among the first results. Once you've entered your details and clicked Log In, you'll be brought to your main dashboard. Next up, you need to locate the project you're working on. In the main dashboard, look for the project list on the left-hand menu. Scroll through or use the search function if you have a long list of projects. Once you find it, simply click on that specific project to open it. Now that you're in your project, the next step is to head over to the backlog. You can find this option in the top navigation within your project. Clicking on Backlog brings you to a list of all the tasks and issues that are currently open and awaiting progress. This view is really handy as it gives you a snapshot of what's on your plate. When you're in the backlog view, here's where it gets a bit interactive. Look for the status drop-down menu associated with the issues listed. It's typically represented by a current status label such as To Do, In Progress, or Done. Click on this drop-down, and you will see several options you can choose from. This lets you update the issue's status based on its current phase in your workflow. If you've got a lot of issues to manage, you might find it easier to change statuses through the list view. Locate the Nenga Junjuga view option on the same navigation bar and click on it. This will present you with all issues in a clearer format, allowing for easy status updates. Here, you'll see the same drop-down menus next to each issue. It's as simple as selecting the issue you're interested in updating, clicking on the status drop-down, and selecting the new status. Don't forget, you can click on multiple issues simultaneously if they all require the same status change. This can save you time. After navigating to single or multiple issues, review their statuses. When you find the drop-down again, you can see all available statuses for that specific issue. Just click it, select the new status, and voila, you've just changed an issue status in Jira. If you're ever in doubt, remember that you can always revisit the issue view to see the current status and ensure everything's in order. This is especially useful for tracking your project's progress. In summary, changing the status of an issue in Jira involves logging in, selecting your project, navigating to the backlog, and using the drop-down to update status. It's pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like if you found this guide helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Have fun managing your projects in Jira.